Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn really easy way how we can add new accounts in Salesforce. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click on accounts here and you can import them or you can just create new. When you click on new, this is quite simple. You want to just write account name here, parent account is like if you have it, type. Okay, this can be like competitor, customer, investor, employees, or not investor. Go with like prospect, 15, industry, banking, annual revenue 100 euro, description, new account. You can set it up like right here, whatever you want. Shipping address, okay, this is like simple. Click on save, and voila, here you got it. And everything here is like really simple. So first you get details, then you get contacts, then you can add them under their account. You get opportunities, cases, and notes and files that you can write here. Then you get activity like log a call, that if you call them, it went well, we got the meeting next week, save. Okay, then we got like email here that you can write them, new task and new event, and chatter. So this is how you can actually add account in Salesforce. It's quite easy, quite simple, and that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.